Hey y'all, come on in. I'm in the kitchen again. It's time to make dinner. We trying to still eat real nice and light. I'm gonna be doing some eggs, some egg salad rather, and then we're gonna do a guacamole salad. I have a guest chef in this afternoon, so Antonia, I think you're the one that asked me about these eggs. So we'll come back to the eggs in just a moment. We have a guest chef on board today, so we're gonna get over here to the counter. And we're going to be looking at our guest chef make the a guacamole salad. So, guest chef, you want me? Okay, let me do the. I'm going to move the cake off the counter because the cake don't have nothing to do with this. I'll tell them everything. This kills Sunday, but it's my channel. Okay, guest chef this afternoon.
Wham. Hey, I'm the baby.
Y'all know that's Tansey. That's my other crazy child. Anyway, she's our guest chef. She loves avocados and avocado salad. And she's going to show us a quick, easy way to make a good old bowl of guacamole. Dip. I said avocado salad. I mean, it's guacamole dip. Sorry about that.
Okay. First of all, you cut the avocados. And we're going to pop that seed out.
Let me get a bag.
No. I need my shells. I got this.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to show them everything that they can do. Okay. This dip is so delicious to all my guacamole lovers. And it's so simple.
Cards. You said these are Kareem's cards, right?
All we're going to do is take some thick and chunky salsa and mix it in with this avocado. But first we're going to sprinkle it with a little garlic.
About how much did you say? About 1/4 of a teaspoon?
Yeah.
About 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's probably a good thing. That's all it's in there.
Yep. Not that much. And we're going to use a little salt, sea salt. Morton salt. Some is a little saltier. Remember that?
Yeah, we got a family member that says certain sauce is a little bit saltier. So actually the sea salt is a little bit saltier.
It's chunkier, of course. Now, one thing you don't want to do is put too much in here because this salsa is strong. So if this dip comes out red, you put too much. So we're gonna put a spoon and a half and then start it. We're gonna mix it down with a fork. And another thing I want to show y'all too, for people that are not familiar with the with the avocado, the easy way to scoop it right on out. So with a spoon. Okay. Now we're gonna save those shells because they have a purpose. Let me season that one a little bit. Put a little garlic on that one. Trying to tell y'all this is the best stuff in the world.
I'll put these on the plate for you. I'm the sous chef today, y'all.
She's gotta be so prim and proper, but see, I'm a little bit hood with my stuff. You see that? Okay.
Don't go there.
Yes, honey. You always got that one child. Everything just ain't gotta be so right. I need a little wrong in my life. We'll mix this. All right, what are you watching?
I lay no claim to that offbeat music in the background. I have no idea what it was.
And take this avocado dip and mash it up. It does not take much salsa.
Avocados are good. They have that good, rich, creamy flavor, and you don't want to kill it with seasoning either.
No, it doesn't take a lot of seasoning or a lot of salsa to make this dish.
So what would you say, about a tablespoon or a couple teaspoons of the salsa?
2 teaspoons is good.
Okay.
To 4 avocados, 2 teaspoons.
To 4 halves.
To 4 halves.
Yeah. It's actually good. I ate a little bit early. We had something earlier today, so I asked her to go ahead and, because I'm going to do some egg salad. I thought we're doing a salad thing here today. So try to stay light with it, you know. and healthy, because you know avocados are a very healthy veggie, and you can eat them all kinds of ways. But this dip is actually very good. I love it. I'll vouch for it on that. I will vouch for the avocado. And
notice I left it kind of. I like to leave chunks in there. To all my avocado lovers, you want to leave chunks in there. I'm gonna show you a little trick.
She got tricks, y'all. She got tricks.
Perfect. If you are having a party and want to do party favors, or if you're on the go, put your little stuff in there and save your shells.
Oh,
voila.
That's cute.
Isn't that cute? Save your shells.
That is too cute.
Guacamole just serves all kind of purposes.
Wow. Now, man, that'll keep that flavor in there, too. Not that these are going to last all that long.
Right.
When we turn the cameras off and blink, it'll be gone.
This is some good eating, y'all.
Okay, so very good. That makes a pretty dish. You can, you know me, I'm always trying to decorate stuff, so.
And they go right along with the crab shell that we're eating, the stuffed crab.
Oh, yeah, we're doing some stuffed crab shells. I'm going to get back on the other side with that, and going to do some eggs. And, of course, you know me, I'm extra. I'll figure out some other stuff to go along with it. Why? Because we're big eaters.
Very big. Take a little out of here and put it in that one so nobody won't feel away.
Oh, you know that's my child right, y'all.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's it, y'all. And then the other part of the trick is scrape the bowl and eat it.
Y'all know she's truly my daughter because I don't waste nothing. So, thank you, Chef Tansey, baby. This looks really good. Actually, y'all, this is really, really a good snack.
Healthy.
Or if you got company coming, you want to whip up something right quick and have them sit and eat this while you finish a meal. Or if you want, because this is going to go along with our meal this evening, we're just going to do some light, little heavy hors d'oeuvres. Basically, is what we're doing for dinner tonight. So, thank y'all for tuning in. Tansey, you got anything else you want to say to the peeps? Okay, she got a couple more words for y'all. She'll be right back.
If you're an avid avocado eater, I got one more trick for you.
Oh, she got more avocado tricks for y'all.
Let me show you something.
My children have always loved food. They love good food. They were raised on good food, so they
y'all get ready for this. Get ready for this.
Okay, y'all.
You can save every part of the avocado, the shell, the inside, and you can also grow your own. I've got 3 of them at home growing.
Oh, you know what? I tried those, and I don't know what, but yeah. Okay.
You can grow your own. Drop the seed right in some water, and put it in your windowsill or wherever, and just let it rip.
Wow, I'm gonna put it right over there. That makes a good little backdrop. That's cute.
Isn't that cute in a cup?
And a glass of water. It makes a pretty little picture. So, y'all know me. I have to look. I can't help myself. Y'all help me. I can't help me because I can't help myself.
When it starts cracking, it's gonna start. When it cracks open on its own, you take it and put it in dirt, and it's gonna grow an avocado plant. And if you have enough sun throughout the year, you'll get some avocados.
Okay, so thanks Chef Tansey. We're going to resume with dinner, and we're going to say, of course, like I always say, keep the prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And so until Tansey comes and cook again, we're just going to say,
toodaloo.
How about that? Okay, y'all, so I'm going to move on to dinner now, and thank y'all for tuning in. Love you guys.